Hey guys, I'm Kishore. I'm here to present my CLT task in the topic of machine learning. As digital payments has become common, so how digital frauds take place a lot in the world, the management has become painful and banking, commerce industries and the fraudsters have become adequate in finding the loopholes, phishing for native people and extracting money in the creative ways. As a result, companies have been started efficiently in managing the vulnerabilities and closing the loopholes of the payment systems. Empathy. If you were in the position, what is expectation? Acquiring the excellent tools that can minimize the payment risk and improve the experience. Getting skilled professional who can help with the fraud detection. Define. The technology should help the people to have an opportunity to identify and prevent the disease even before they occur. And here comes the ideate part. Faster and efficient detection, increased accuracy, better prediction and the large data sets, cost efficient detection techniques. Solution of machine learning in fraud detection. Machine learning for fraud detection works by amazing consumer content pattern and the transaction methods. It can analyze these behavior faster and more efficient than the human analysis. As the result, it can quickly identify if the deviation from a normal behavior. It allows the opportunities in the real-time approval by the user by the transactions that can be completed. Machine learning is also benefit of increased accuracy since human error is recording and analyzing the data is eliminated from the equation. Furthermore, better predictions can be achieved since machine learning models are able to process a massive amount of data. The more data supplied to the model, the more model has learned from it and can create even a better prediction. Key to success implementation of machine learning in fraud detection. Machine learning can save the consumer and the business exponential amount of time and money when implemented correctly. It can come with some of the initial startup challenges. The key to any accurate machine learning model is the input data. Not only does enough historical data needs to be accessed for the model. An accurate representation by the data is also needed to be accessible. If the transaction information, consumer details, and the purchase of activities disperse the amount of detached data sources, getting the data in a viable format for modeling the common difficult remedies would be implemented a modern data platform as an Azure example below. Another challenges involved in the business level decisions. For some of the machine learning model, historical chases need to be labeled and either fraudulent or not fraudulent. The order by the model to make the predictions above the new data. Creating these labels requires either set of well-defined business rules and actual customer feedback when the transaction was weak. Once a machine learning model is trained and ready for the deployment, decisions also has to be made by the predictions will be implemented in the real world scenarios. These challenges can be useful for elevating the having decision subject matters expert and the business leaders devise the clear part of operations. Overall, machine learning can be invaluable tool in the detection and the prevention of fraud. It can help the business to provide more secure platform for their customers and provide the customers with confidence. The continuous repeating of this benefited technology in the financial sectors through well-designed data model and coherent business rule. The implementing fraud detection via machine learning can be the straightforward and the time-saving process. In this video below, the demonstrations of the financial fraud detection notebook from the Databricks and the Databricks has been a systematic data set illustrated in the process of conducting a machine learning model. Benefits of machine learning in fraud detection. Machines are much better than humans at the processing a large data sets. They are able to detect and recognize thousands of patterns of users purchasing the journey instead of few captured by creating rules. We can predict the fraud in a large volume of transactions by applying cognitive computing technology to a raw data. This is the reason why we use machine learning algorithms to prevent fraud detection to our clients. Benefits of machine learning in fraud detection. Machines are much better than humans at the processing a large data sets. They are able to detect and recognize thousands of patterns of users purchasing the journey instead of few captured by creating rules. We can predict the fraud in a large volume of transactions by applying cognitive computing technology to a raw data. This is the reason why we use machine learning algorithms to prevent fraud detection to our clients. And the next topic is credit card fraud detection. A customer's identity, an email address, a credit card number, etc. The past ordering details that prefers the payment method. The locations that have been used for the transaction in their networks, email, phone number, and the payment detail enter within the online account. If there is a multiple payment method added from a single account within a hour, when it is triggered, that is an account may be get fraudulented. If the customer is buying a premium goods in a large quantities, then our algorithm can able to detect the fraud by the location or the address added to the profile fraudulent. It does not exist. The email ID seems suspicious. There is a mismatch in an account name as well as the name of the card. The model that choose should be able to identify this common anomaly in the systems easily. If there is a multiple payment method added from a single account within an hour, then it triggers the account to be get fraudulented. If a customer is buying a premium goods in a large quantities, then your algorithm should able to detect this fraud. The location of the address added to the profile fraudulent, it does not exist. The email ID seems suspicious. There is a mismatch in an account name as well as the name of the card. Your training set should consist of these frauds. It is important to note that the model you can choose also depends upon the data set, as they work differently on the data set of different patterns. ML in online fraud detection. We can predict the fraud in a large volume of transactions by applying a cognitive computer technologies to the raw data. This is the reason why we use machine learning algorithms. Preventing the frauds for our customers. A fraud detection machine learning ensures the quicker resolutions and the effective transactions. Sale forecasting. The machines based on the past sale date and the current sale transactions can forecast the sale for the upcoming year. You will know which product will see and sell, how much the quantity, thus helping the people to inventory the management. Personalization. Machine learning details out the order history and the browsing behavior and the demographic, which helps the apps like Amazon and the Netflix to arrive the recommendations that will enhance your app experience and gives you an user-friendly experiences. And benefits of machine learning in fraud detection. Machines are much better than humans at the processing a large data sets. They are able to detect and recognize thousands of patterns of users purchasing the journey instead of few captured by creating rules. We can predict the fraud in a large volume of transactions by applying cognitive computing technology to a raw data. This is the reason why we use machine learning algorithms to prevent fraud detection to our clients.